Taj Mahal. Welcome to one of the most iconic symbols of love and architectural brilliance in the world, the Taj Mahal. Located in Agra, India, this white marble masterpiece is not just a monument but a timeless tale of love, loss, and legacy. Let's dive into its fascinating story. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was commissioned by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1632 in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It stands majestically on the banks of the Yamuna River, captivating millions of visitors every year. The story begins with Shah Jahan, the fifth Mughal emperor, and Mumtaz Mahal, his favorite queen. Mumtaz was not just his companion but his trusted advisor. Tragically, she passed away during childbirth in 1631, leaving Shah Jahan heartbroken. In her memory, he vowed to build a monument unlike any the world had ever seen. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and took over 22 years to complete. Over 20,000 artisans and craftsmen from India, Persia, and beyond worked tirelessly to bring Shah Jahan's vision to life. The design combines Persian, Islamic, and Indian architectural styles, with the central white marble dome as its most iconic feature. The Taj Mahal is flanked by 4 elegant minarets, carefully designed to lean slightly outward to protect the main structure in case of an earthquake. The gardens, inspired by Persian Char Bagh designs, symbolize paradise on earth. The Taj Mahal's beauty lies in its details. The white marble was sourced from Makrana in Rajasthan, and the intricate inlay work features precious and semi-precious stones like jade, crystal, turquoise, and lapis lazuli. The artisans used a technique called pietra dura to embed these stones into the marble. Another mesmerizing feature is the Arabic calligraphy that adorns the walls. These verses from the Quran, written by Persian calligrapher Amanat Khan, are crafted with such precision that they appear uniform, no matter the viewer's angle. There are many legends surrounding the Taj Mahal. One story suggests that Shah Jahan planned to build a black marble mausoleum for himself across the Yamuna River, but his plans were thwarted when he was overthrown by his son, Aurangzeb. Shah Jahan spent his final years imprisoned in Agra Fort, gazing at the Taj Mahal from a distance. One of the magical aspects of the Taj Mahal is how it changes colors throughout the day. At sunrise, it glows golden. During the day, it appears a brilliant white, and under the moonlight, it shimmers silver. These changing hues symbolize the ever-changing moods of Mumtaz Mahal. In 1983, the Taj Mahal was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding cultural and historical significance. It attracts millions of visitors each year, making it one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Over the years, pollution and environmental changes have posed threats to the Taj Mahal. Efforts are ongoing to preserve this timeless monument, including regular cleaning of the marble and limiting vehicular traffic in the vicinity. The Taj Mahal is more than just a structure, it's a symbol of eternal love and human creativity. It reminds us of the beauty that can be achieved when art and emotion come together. If you ever find yourself in India, don't miss the chance to witness this wonder of the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about incredible places.